150, 250, 350, and 450, pretty much any of the 4 trucks. Running through the car wash right now, so it is loud, but if you go through the car wash and you notice that you have a light skip, or if it's like a rainy day and you notice like you have a light skip, snowy days, moisture days, whatever, I'm going to show you why my truck is skipping right now. And I got to come up with a solution, so I'm definitely open to ideas, and perhaps even if I have to come up with a little solution on my own, I shall. So just ran through the car wash, now I'm going straight directly into the vacuums. You're gonna wanna pop your hood and grab one of these, or even the vacuum. You're gonna put your foot right here on the mechanic step and climb up there. I need 2 hands, so. All right, now that we're up here, I want you to see this here. We have our drainage. Our drain comes down here, and then here, and then it drops right down onto the top of the manifold. All right, you can see water over here as well, sprinkling down. But where's the misfire? Well, right there. There's your misfire. Sometimes when I come through here, I can literally actually see the spark. Usually I see the spark and I actually hear it ticking, but right there, right on top of the coil, it's a really piss poor design. Grab your little gun here, your little air gun at the car wash. Blow all that crap away. Get yourself right down here, right on onto the coil. It's kind of hard to see it. There we go. How's that? Get right there on the coil. Blow all that crap away. Get it all out of there. Usually I can seriously see the spark jump right down here, but it's usually back here on coil 7 as they call it. Make sure to never take these off, these little foam things. If you do take them off, make sure that they're put back on. That is important. But for some reason, the water on my truck and all these other trucks always seem to flow there. Always seem to flow in this direction. Not really sure why they flow in that this direction and not that direction. But we're gonna give that good clean off. I literally feel my truck feel like running better right now. I don't feel that dead skip. I don't feel that flat spot. Let me just double make sure. Even get under there. Your fuse box gets wet, which makes no damn sense to me. Why does your drainage run over here and then get right down onto the top of your electrical fuse box? That's interesting, isn't it? But just give her a little blasty blast. Make sure she's all dried up. Oh, actually, crap, I just seen it. I blew some, yeah, there it is. You hear that? There it is. See that spark? Get yourself in there, dry that crap out, truck runs better. Also, when you open up the doors, I don't know why my camera keeps zooming in. When you open up the doors, make sure to dry inside of here. Get yourself right into there. Look at that crud right there. You're gonna wanna make sure that that's clean too. So if you have like an intermittent spark, your check engine light's on, and you don't know why, there's your answer, there's your solution. I've actually had these F-150s, and well, this is an F-250, but I've had F-150s, Ford Rangers, 250s, everything come in the shop. Oh, my truck's not running right. We get the truck in the shop, we let it sit there for a little bit, we fire it up, the truck runs fantastic. Tells me that it's a intermediate issue. It'll throw your check engine light, cause all kinds of problems. We got to come up with a solution. We need to come up with a solution, people, because this is a pain in the ass. It really is. Especially, you know, for people who don't know anything about their vehicles, this is going to scare them. It's going to freak them out. Like, oh my God, my vehicle's running like crap and it's skipping and I don't know, like the check engine light's on, or sometimes it's blinking. I have a loss of power. It's raining. I'm going down the highway. Now I'm stuck. Who the hell wants to deal with that? Ford, get your shit together. It's a simple thing. Make that like a one-piece like cowl and like a one-piece weather strip. You'll be fine. Maybe that's what I got to do. Maybe I'll fabricate something. Maybe I'll do it out of carbon fiber. Maybe perhaps fiberglass. I don't know. 3D printer people?